We are pleased to show you the 2024 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.